Welcome to Open Hand Farm. We have a beautiful 68-degree day, wind blowing, it's beautiful. And what we're going to do is dig our sweet potatoes. I have for the last 3 years had some kids at church that we were really close to, and they would come over and help me dig potatoes. And they are here today in order to help us dig and see what we got. Hopefully we'll do better than when we did our plain potatoes because that was not good. But let's see what we can find. I just wanted to explain how to make sweet potato slips. That's what you use to plant in the garden to grow sweet potatoes. You take a potato and you put toothpicks in it and rest it on a jar and fill it with water. Then it will grow sprouts out the bottom, but then it also grows these little sprouts out the top of the potato. Now when those get long, they will look something like this. What you're going to do is break these off of the potato, and then you're going to put those in water. And those will sprout like these have, and that is what you plant in the ground to grow sweet potatoes. Because it's too cold outside to put these in the ground, I'm going to plant them in a pot to get them started. And then after the last frost date, which in our area in zone 6B is after April the 15th, I will put them in the ground. Stay tuned. We have friends here today that come every year and help me dig potatoes. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
And the thing is, they're getting so big now. They used to be little kids and they'd be like, yeah, let's dig those potatoes. So I am so privileged that they still want to come and dig potatoes. So we're just playing in the chicken pen right now, feeding them some yucky kale that has bug holes in it, probably some worms on it that they'll like.
Really nice.
And this is Julie and Akia, their mamas. They're my good friends. So here are the sweet potatoes that we're gonna dig today. If you watched my previous videos, we kind of made a makeshift box to put them in, and we're hoping we find treasure. So we're gonna try to grab the box by the wire and just lift. I don't know if we'll be able to because of all the leaves within the wire, but we'll see what we think.
You want to tell us when?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay, you guys are good. So you want to walk that way? Because there's a mound over here. Okay, Kia, you be careful not to trip.
Oh, I found a potato.
It's kind of pulling some potatoes up already. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay, let's stop it there. Now we're going to have to cut some of the greenery off and probably, well, we might just go through the greenery and see what we have. Okay, Mark's going to look down in here and see what we might have pulled with the leaves. Was there a bunch?
Literally a bunch.
Look at this one.
Oh my goodness.
Another one.
Oh, good job, Henry.
Slightly better than the taters in the box.
Potato full success.
How you doing, George? See any? Oh, yep.
Good potatoes this year.
Good job.
Well, these are sweet potatoes.
These are much better than what we got last year, aren't they, guys?
Yeah.
There you go. Just pick it up together and see what you can find. Mark's found a big bunch. He's cutting off there.
Man.
Okay, how are we doing, you guys? Oh my word. Look in there. We got a couple green ones. They weren't covered down in the soil. You got this tub also. Okay, you guys, this was definitely better than our regular potatoes. And we're gonna kind of dig because sweet potatoes do grow straight down instead of spreading over. So there could be some under there. Gonna do some digging and see what else we might be able to find. Mark's digging through the greenery again. That's a good plan. They might peck it, so I wouldn't. I would put it in, like, maybe put it on your fingertips so that they can actually get in there.
They're prepared, Henry.
Henry's got a grub for them.
Oh!
Well, we've dug through quite a bit here and found some more. They're still going at it. You never know what you might find. Kenzie's determined to find more. Or we'll find them when we till, because this is the area we're going to till in. We're going to till this whole section down to where you see the corner there and over and then back down and plant in here next spring. Okay, we're going to put these sweet potatoes in buckets. Then we can go and weigh them and see how many we got.
Okay, is that the whole thing? All right.
Okay, Henry's is empty. Yeah, let's spread them out there. Okay, we're putting the first bucket up there. And how much does it weigh, Mackenzie?
It's 20 pounds, but if you don't count the bucket, then it's only 18.
Okay, so the bucket's 2 pounds. Perfect.
How
All
did
right,
you know
so we
the
have
question was
18
asked?
pounds there.
Ooh, this is
And what do we got there?
That one's about like a 22.
Oh, it's got to be more.
But no.
Can you see it, Mark?
Well, it's not a lot more than that. Oh, you're right. It's about.
22?
So it's about actual 20, maybe
Okay,
21.
so we got 38 pounds of sweet potatoes from about 15 plants. And all of those slips that we planted came from one potato. Now we're going to just spread them out between these 3 baskets. Try to get kind of evenly. They don't have to be even, but then we're going to leave them sitting in the greenhouse, which is hot and humid, for about a week. And what happens, like if you were to eat one of these right now, it would not be sweet. It would be just bland. So what happens is during that curing time, the sugars build up and the skin hardens so that they will last longer. After that 7 days, they'll be really yummy sweet potatoes.
Oh, is that?
And they should be able to last for about 8 months. What I'll do is I will kind of wipe the dirt off. I will not wash them. And then wrap each potato in a piece of newspaper and put them back into one of these containers where the air can flow around and store them that way. What a fun time. And we did okay. I had taken one sweet potato that had shoots come off of it. I broke those shoots off and I sprouted them. And that's what I used to plant all of these sweet potatoes. So I got 38 pounds from one sweet potato. So what a great plan. I think next year we're going to enlarge our sweet potato bed. We're going to have a larger potato bed and kind of revamp and think what it is that we need to plant and what we really use the most of when it comes to vegetables. Thanks again for watching, and I pray that you have a beautiful day. Until next time, blessings on you and yours.